how to add new account in Instagram. So let's click right here on our profile. And then from in there, you can actually create a new account. Or if you already have a new account, you can actually easily bind them together. In order to do that, click right here on your three lines. Then click right here on your Meta account center until it actually opens just like this. And then once it opens, just scroll into the very bottom, click on this add more accounts, and then click on this add account right here. As you can see, we only have Instagram, so you can actually have options. Click on this add accounts right here, and you have the option to add Facebook account or Instagram account. So it totally depends on you which one you want to actually use for this case. So for me, let's head over and click on this add Instagram account, and then it will actually need your permission. So click on this continue right here. Now, as you can see, it will actually fetch some accounts from the account setter that is actually binded to your email and contact number. So click on continue right here, and then click on this allow finish and adding in order to successfully add those Instagram or Facebook accounts on your Instagram account. So that's how you add new account in Instagram. Hope we helped.